things is you had a nail in your tyre, didn't you?
I did.
I'm going to actually put a link. This stuff is so good. I'm going to put a link on here on this thing. So Rachel got a nail in her tyre, and we usually take it down to some bloke repair it, or we get the tyre replaced. We get the tyre replaced. Obviously, if it's on the top of the tyre, you're fine. If it's on the side, it has to be replaced. But I watched the guy. I paid him 10 quid. And he basically pulled the screw out, got this other little tool that filed the hole where the thing is. Filed the hole. So cleaned the hole where the screw had came out, right? So he cleans the hole with this file, right? And it's at this time, the tyre's going mental. It's blowing loads of air out and everything. And then he gets what I can only describe as like a rubbery bit of pasta, puts it on these special pliers, puts it in the hole, and then as he releases it back out, the rubber stays in there and it's sealed. It's amazing, right?
So none of that green stuff you have to put in?
No, I've put green stuff in it before. The green stuff works very well, but it's a pain in the arse, the green stuff, the green liquid stuff. But this is so good that I bought one on Amazon and sorted your tyre out the other day with Ted. We've had a little Ted.
Yes, you did, yes. Because he was really into that, wasn't he? He was really sort of...
Yeah, so it can do the next, I don't know, you've got enough stuff in there to do the next, 30 or 40 punctures.
Really?
It's really good.
In this one kit?
In this one kit. And it's got the file in it. It's got a little Stanley knife in it. It's got everything you need to repair your own tyre. And then it's your choice, right? I'm not saying you can drive around on it. I believe it's safe, but every punch is different. But it's your choice if you then want to then drive it and get your tyre replaced. Get your car replaced.
Keep the tyre.
Yes, the tyre will be fine. So yeah, I'm going to put a link for that. What I bought. That's what I bought on the YouTube comments, and then you can have a look yourself. It's remarkable stuff. I thought I'd share it with you as a little DIY tip for you. All right.
You are good.